Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Pick a Card. So this is like, when are they coming back? Like your person, you are in separation, or it's like no contact, no communication. Either you had a breakup, or uh, even if it was a breakup which has either happened, or you are in a temporary breakup situation. So this is Pick a Card for that. So when are they going to come back? So being these are general readings, so not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. So this is three piles here: pile orange pile, the yellow pile, and the dark pink pile here. So this is like tarot cards and angel guidance here. So I have already shuffled the cards, done the meditation, and then placed it here so that we can save on some time. And let us see, if you want that I should shuffle the cards in front of you, you can put it in the comment box, and in the next reading, next Pick a Card, I'll do it in front of you. So let's start. We'll start off with the orange one, then go to the yellow, and then we'll go to the pink one. Intuitively you can choose whatever attracts you, the color of the crystal or whatever attracts you. Do not take long, because it might be confusing. So use your intuition, and let's start here. So taking the orange one first. So orange, here I place it. Let's see what the tarot has. King of Cups. Nice. So there is love still. There was love. There was a lot of love. Maybe this was water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could be other signs as well. Because this is not sign specific reading. So it is about your situation. Lot of love. This person might be elder to you if it was a male. In most of the cases, a lot of feelings for you, lot of emotions, lot of romance. That's what it was when you were in relationship with this person. Now this person wants to be victorious in any situation. This person is ambitious, wants to be victorious, or maybe he has a lot of responsibility at home, or related to so it could be home related responsibilities or something. He wants to be grow bigger. He wants bigger in the sense that he's ambitious. He wants to achieve success. He wants to achieve greater things in life. So he always, and very much, your person loves attention. So a lot of attention. So either at workplace, and this person is a go-getter kind of, wants to work hard and achieve whatever he desires for. So this could be one of the reasons. Like, being ambitious is fine, but being over ambitious for certain things, or maybe there was, let's see the other cards and then, okay, so 8 of Cups. So here it seems that somewhere, your relationship with him was standing in the way towards his victorious situation. Maybe he wasn't able to concentrate in his work, in his business, in his work, career, job, or there any situation that he wanted to be victorious in. Maybe it was a pleasant distraction. I wouldn't say negative, but this person felt that somehow your presence in his life could be a distraction for him, could stop him from getting this success that he desires for. He wanted to be independent. He, she, please take it only as a neutral gender while addressing. Sometimes it could be she, it could be he, depending on your situation. So this person thought that somehow even if lot of love, lot of care was there from your side, and still this person wanted his to be ambitious and independent, and that for that reason this person has walked away from your life, or they are in separation. Of course, this person has put in some work before in love and wasn't happy really walking away, but his priority or her priority was more of being ambition was the priority here. Achieving something in life, maybe bigger post, bigger money, bigger job, bigger business. So wanted to focus on all this thing, that was a priority for this person. So emotionally, even if this person feels at times for you, you are in his thoughts, you are, he still holds on the emotion, doesn't show, very, very, the energy of holding on. This person can hold on to his emotions. That's what, that there is a lot of emotion. Eight of Cups is like, emotional journey, leaving something and feeling really lost, really hurt. But while he left you, or you went into separation, you both, there was a lot of pain in this person's heart also initially, but then overcame that. And this person is holding his emotions right now for you, doesn't show his emotions, maybe sometimes acting arrogant or rude also. If you do have communication, if it's a blocked communication, no contact situation, still this person is focused on his career, on his issues, that he wants to be victorious. That is more important for him. So, Five of Wands, this person has got a lot of conflict going on in his mind here. This is what I get. Still conflicted about whether this decision to walk away was good, or not. So there is a lot of thinking going on. Sometimes, Five of Swords after that, this is a card of thinking. It's not only Five of Wands, is like, communication. So maybe, this person wants to, he's thinking that, at least he or she should have conveyed you that, it's not something wise or good they are doing it to you, but didn't, because of Five of Wands. Although in the thoughts they were guilty, they felt a little, bad. That's what I felt, but never showed it, because they had another confusion. This Five of Wands restricted, no conflicting thoughts, feeling about this situation, feeling guilty, but not communicating it to you because of the conflict going on within them. Lot of conflict. Still they are stressed. Still are issues with this person. This is the current energy. These cards are the current energies of the person. There's still a lot of things going on. Then you have, while on this work, on this journey towards, when they left you, or when they were, trying to achieve ambition in their workplace, or where they worked as a team, in a team where either they were working or they were studying or something, there came another person into their life. There was a love triangle that came, another person entered their life, while this person walked away from you. So there is another person, but still this person is wandering into another relationship. This person could be, but this person is also not happy with this also. I'll tell you here, Seven of Pentacles, wondering whether is this the right person or you are the right person. Still trying to figure out things, still confused, still do not know what to do, so it's still that some of them might be in this relationship with someone else here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Here you have Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Here you have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You have all the signs here. I mean, all zodiacs are present here. All the 12, signs of the zodiac are present here. So this is here. So some of them have another option with whom they are still not happy. But and they are wondering, whether, is this the reason? Maybe they're still on the journey to achieving this victory here, wherein they feel this person also is not, they have conflicted thoughts. Sometimes, they feel that you were better one, you were a better choice for them than, this other person, but still this person isn't happy, this person isn't satisfied, even if they are with someone else right now. Three of, Pentacle with Seven of Pentacle, really tired. The other person in their life is trying to make this work, but your person isn't happy there. Your person at the end wants, what is your person wanting is this victorious in his ambition. So it seems that there is no fulfillment in the other relationship also, that somehow came into, or he is invested or she is invested into, and they think about you, they feel guilty, they understand what they have done to you, but they are conflicted, they are still confused. So let's see what the angel cards are there. Okay, so this person, First card is moving forward. So they are taking the life forward here. It's about, moving forward towards their ambition. So they are right now working on this ambition here. There is competition. So tell you, so there is, two people here. There is lot of competition. This person could have competition, like, having two people, you and them, you are also in the mind. But so this is talks also in the work sphere where they are. It's a highly competitive atmosphere which is stressing them out here. They see you in their dreams. Yes, you are still in their dreams. You can see this card here. And Archangel Raphael, so provider of healing for mind, body and spirit. So this person is trying to heal, from these conflicted situations here. So healing, they are seeking, somehow when they feel stressed, they are seeking that, oh God, I was in great energies when they were with you, but what happened, what happened to so they want to heal from, wounds, hurt, and they know that they have caused a lot of conflict, feeling guilty, so they want to heal from that. So this is this situation here. So let me tell you when they can come back to you here. Okay, so lot of eights here, 8 of cups. So 8 weeks to 8 months, this person can come back to you only if they have realized their ambition to, they will move forward only with this coming back. If they are, successful in their, the ambitious nature that they have, whatever, plans they have for you, this person will make a decision, come out of this conflicting situation about a love triangle and come back to you in 8 weeks to 8 months. So this is for this pile, orange pile. So if this resonates with you, do comment and like this video. And let's see the other pile now. So this is the yellow pile here. Sorry for the noise. So let's see yellow pile. So when are they coming back? So let's see your person's situation first. So the Empress is the first card. So your person was highly, this is your pile here. You were the Empress energy for this person. It could be male, it could be female. It's just the energies, high attraction, highly caring, So you were highly caring in this, caring, nurturing, loving, and they had a lot of attraction for you here. You nurtured this relationship with lot of love, lot of abundance. They felt that, they were growing with you, they were having good time with you. It was a time when, you both were into romantic relationship, and it was like everything was very warm, sunny, happiness with this Empress card. And they were very much satisfied with you being in their life alone, like, that was there. Page of Cups, lot of feelings, lot of, emotions, they would send you messages, loving messages, short loving messages. I feel this person was never an extrovert or expressing too many feelings for you with this Page of Cups. Yes, they had a lot of love, they had a lot of attraction, but they were, when it was expression, they expressed a little, but yes, with love, with romantic messages, with short gestures, they did that. Now this is a wish card, so hope, the Star card. So they are wishing something, they are hoping something in their life to materialize, they are healing. This is a hope, so they are wishing something for them here. Now I get with this card because I can see the 8 of Pentacles. So money could be an issue with, money, finances could be an issue with this person. So they are hoping stability, for their financial stability or overall stability. This person is wishing for. 8 of Pentacles is working towards stability, working towards, financial stability, so that only then, you both could get together in this relationship here. So stability has been an issue, we have this one. So they decided to walk away after this. They felt that, they need to put more efforts in their work, more efforts in their job. And somehow, they felt that, they had doubts, they had fears that they could provide you that stability. So they decided to walk away with the Queen of Swords. One day, suddenly they, cut you off from their life, no contact, no communication, or just without communication, moving away from your life. But when they walked, no, let me tell you here, this is, they still think about you, they're still stuck in their head about you here. They are dreaming about you, they are, trying to consolidate, what happened in the past to the present, and, trying to figure out things, what happened wrong. And Eight of Wands, they are also stressed, they are also, maybe they do not show you, because Hangman is a card of being stuck, not showing, showing that no interest, nothing, but yes, they are into depression, low, feeling low confidence. That confidence, the charm they used to have with you, they do not have it anymore. They feel guilty, there is a, anxiety, there is stress, they have restlessness in their nature. That's what is happening with them. Then I see here Two of Pentacles. For some of your person also, I feel that maybe they have some other options in their life too. There is someone else also, while they were on this journey to make money and finances. What I feel here, this is Two of Pentacles. So two options, they have choices to make, they have two options in their life. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn could be there. Then you have this Ten of Cups. Finally, your person wants stability. That's what I tell, long-term commitment. Now they are confused with this card. They are juggling two people, or either they are juggling you and the other person, or even if they are not in contact with you, are still on their mind. They have to figure out with this. They are only stressed about the situation. They have to figure out, whether in their dreams, in their hope, they need to figure out, you are the person who suits best. That's what they need. That realization should be there, with this Two of Pentacles. Of course, your person doesn't want casual anything anymore. They want to settle down, they want long-term stability, but are confused because they have some other option. They are seeing someone else too, or at least they are talking to. This is not fully, it could be at their workplace, or it could be while, yeah, so wherever, it could be at the workplace, or somebody, in the friend circles, or somebody, friend of a family friend. Either the other person got very attracted and showing interest, so your person also started talking, and from there it started, another. For some, yeah, so that is what. But your person at the end wants stability and is confused now with whom to move, and there is a lot of thought about it with the Ace of Swords, and they are still conflicted. So they need, as they left you, they need to come again back with the clarity. They are coming back with you here. So this is it. Let's see what the angel cards. Yes, so I get here money. So money is an issue for maybe financial, this person has lot of responsibilities to look after. So money could be an issue related to home, house, responsibility of parents. So or maybe they are they wanting money so that they can have a stable life, stability in their life. So they are working for money. Okay, so friendships. So I feel here, this other person may be their, second choice or a second option, or could just be a friend who is trying to, who is trying to influence your person with their mind, like I feel here. So here some friends are of your person is causing this conflict in his mind. So friendship is involved in this relationship, surely. Some friendship, adding to they walking away from you could also be an option here. But this relationship has potential, you can see here. So this is you can see here potential, if you can read it. So there is a high potential. This person also sees, yes, you have a lot of potential and there is potential in your relationship. But this person must face his fears. There are a lot of fears. There's a lot of overthinking with this Eight of Swords. Yes, this person has to face his fears. Only then, so right now this person is going with the flow, doing nothing about it, and just left, things to work out on its own, and has to face his fears so that they can come back. Now let me tell you by when this person could come back into your life. It could be in 3 to 10 months. or in the 10th week. Yeah, so I'll tell you, if your person could come back within 3 months, within 3 months, or week wise, if you say any time between 3 weeks to 10 weeks here. There are no days kind of here because there is no sword, no, yeah. So here it is. It is either within 3 months, and 3 weeks to 10 weeks also could be an option. I mean more than 3 months, like. So this is it. Your person will come back, so could come back to you here. So this is it for this pile. I hope you like this reading. If you do like, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this. Now let us see the pink pile here. So pink pile. Let's see pink pile, what the tarot has, and then we'll see the angel messages. 4 of Pentacles. So your person, 4 of Pentacles is a card of stability, it's card of resources, it's card of money situation, or stability in general. It could be in relationship or it could be money wise. Let's see what. The Chariot. So this is moving forward. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer. Wheel of Fortune. So I'll just take out the cards. The Sun, the Knight of Cups, the Hierophant, Eight of Swords, and this is the Hermit. So your person here is stuck still into your energies. They still see stability with you, the relationship stability they see with you here. But also that 4 of Pentacle is not a moving card. So they need to come out. They need stability in their life first. This is a Pentacle card. So this stability could be related to their finances, their financial independence. That's what I feel here. Although they wanted to move forward with you, this is the Chariot card. But with this Chariot card, it's like they needed to make a decision to move with you or not, because the Chariot, when you see the Chariot card in tarot, I do not have it, it's the person holding, the ropes of the sphinxes that are there and moving forward. So this person had everything to, was in the decision to whether to move forward, but they gave importance to the stability, financial stability. They wanted something else in their life. Now this will definitely resonate. It's more about financial, wherein somehow they thought, you and this person, the stability that they were looking for, you were being a distraction for this person somehow in their stability issue. So what happened is that, there was a lot of love. Again, I'll say Knight of Cups. Initially, this person used to, express love to you. There was a lot of, romance and a lot of, that's what I get. It wasn't a very cold relationship. Lot of love, lot of romantic messages, lot of communication happening. Initially, that was when the relationship started. It was a very good time that, it was a sun, everything was beautiful, everything was romantic, everything felt warm. That kind of an energy this person felt with you when they were with you in this relationship with the Sun card and the Knight of Cups here. But, this person had issues with commitment. Taurus, this is a Hierophant card with 8 of Swords. They got tense when the situation came to commitment, could be long-term commitment or making it official or getting married, that's what. So they were in this energy is like whether their family is going to accept them, or you came from different cultural cultural background, they were from different, there could be religious issue, there could be anything, social issues, status issue, pressure, something. There were maybe they were more spiritual in their thoughts and you were more modern, or it could be vice versa. So although this person is an overthinking person, putting a lot of thinking in things which do not require so much thinking also. Now I hope you get it. This is a card of overthinking, making, trying to think what are gonna people say, whether you will fit in this relationship, in their stability, that kind of stability, that is, whether you fit in that, all those thoughts started coming, whether their family is going to accept you, whether your family will accept them. So there were a lot of overthinking things happening in their mind of your person here. So they got into conflicted situation here, and they left. Then they left. When it came to commitment, long-term commitment, making it official, at that point your person left here. Yeah, but here it is that this person of yours, maybe there could be some of you in this reading could be looking a person from, they wanted a life partner from their own cultural background, or somebody from their own community, that kind. Or there could be a pressure to them, there could be a pressure, a family pressure, or somebody or some other kind of pressure coming in, so that they marry, or they they marry a person from the same status, or be engaged, or whatever it is. This is for very few of you that I get these messages here also with the Hierophant card. But your person is already overthinking mode, always makes a great deal, a big deal out of small nothings. So and very much bothered about what others are going to say, what if others are going to find out. That was the weakness of the person, so they left. Now your person is introspect mode. They are feeling guilty. They feel whether they have done right things to you or not. It was a wrong call to move away from you at such a time when they also were happy with you here. They seem very happy and lucky going. So there are a lot of thoughts going on. They want to know, they're still trying to figure out things, they're trying to find out answers to the doubts they have. But you need to understand, overthinking, you can have doubts cleared for genuine questions that you have by awakening. But overthinking, making small issues a big overthinking, you can't find the answers to this. So this person is going in this circle of never finding these answers right now, because it's an overthinking energy here. So your person has decided to take some time here, Wheel of Fortune, going with the flow, letting time decide, and they are working for their financial stability. They are, and that's what they have been doing here. So let's see what the angel messages here. Yeah, so you can see here, enlightenment. So they are waiting for an enlightenment, or they are seeking spiritual, spiritually they are trying to find out answers. So this is the card of some of your person could have choices to make, between two people, maybe from their own community, because I told you that came in, or they have some other choices. So they need to make a choice between you and the other person, and they could make. So this is angel guidance. So after that we have this letting go and new beginnings. So your person may let go of another choice, because it just came after choices. So your person will let go the other person of their life, and may get into new beginnings with you here. Before that, but maybe they are going through a lot of confrontation or conflicting situations at home, at in their own mind. So that is this current energies of this person now. Although they still feel for you, they are still energetically bonded with you, but they are indecisive, confused right now, and trying to seek answers and going with the flow here. Yeah, so when are they coming back? So here I can tell you here, anytime between, can we see this card? Okay. Your person can come back within 9 weeks to 5 months. Yeah. See here, your person can come back, because these are both major arcana cards. Sorry. Your person can come back to you within 5 weeks to 9 weeks, or 5 months to 9 months, or in the 5th month of maybe next year, and 9th month when it's the Virgo season, they can come back, in the 5th month next year, or the 9th month next year, or within 5 weeks or 9th week of the coming from now. You can calculate whenever you are seeing the video. So this is it. I hope this helps. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much, and stay blessed.